Hello, dear cannabis sector friends, and also all my crypto friends who are usually watching. I just want to make this primer here, guys, on the cannabis sector. I actually made a video already, and also to the same ticker I have open here right now. But just to tell this to you quickly, I personally see huge potential in that marketplace. The only reason why I haven't talked about cannabis like that much is because, as you like, if you're watching my videos, as you know, I've been always focused on crypto. Okay, so I'm coming from the crypto space. I've been a uh, you know, long time investor there. So I was an early adopter in Bitcoin. That's why it has always kept my interest. But I see definitely huge potential in the cannabis marijuana sector here, especially with the legalization of the sector. So, of course, as we all like, if you're watching this at all, you know that this started in Canada, but I think also American companies will have huge potential um, up to Europe. So, in I can only speak for Germany here. We have out of the five big parties in the, like the political parties, uh, three of them are already supporting the legalization of marijuana. In parts of Europe, like in Portugal, you have it already. Okay, so the legalization of cannabis, of marijuana, will come 100%. That's like 100% gonna happen, and of course, like you have to like think about against whom are they competing? Yeah, and it's not that hard, to think about. So all of those companies we are not going to look at, and I don't have much time here. Please forgive me, here only 10 minutes. We're going to go quickly through here, but those companies are already making like huge profits, and so it's not a small issue. Cannabis is going to be I think at least as big as the Philip Morris's and so forth. Yeah, so that's why. Yeah, so when I'm currently working on my first trading course for beginners, and once I publish that, which is by the way going to be awesome. Yeah, so you're going to learn everything about setting stop losses, setting a trigger, and so forth. Like most of like the most important information basically. And once I have that, I will do probably frequent posts about the cannabis sector. Yeah? But let's dive into it, guys. So just to give like also for my crypto fans a perfect example here with Tilray. In the summer of last year, guys, in just a couple of weeks here, Tilray basically 10x'd from 20 to, as you can see, like even over. I'm not counting the huge wick here. Up until $200, we 10x'd, and it's just crazy. Yeah? Since this 10xing, what we have with Tilray, and this is on the daily beautifully visible, but on the weekly it's even clearer. You can see this beautiful, like first of all, is logarithmic non-linear correction. Okay, so you could, for example, put in lines here. It would always like not fit in here because it's correcting non-linear. Okay, as far as I know, I'm maybe the only analyst who is realizing this, not just here, also in crypto space. We have so many non-linear corrections also going to be in my course, yeah, where people are going like putting in like linear lines, trend lines, and it's always breaking out of the linear lines or it's not fitting, yeah. So very important, non-linear correction because huge run up, okay? Exponential move breaking out, also non-linear correction. Beautifully, this equilibrium, guys. We are more descending than we are ascending, as you can see. Yeah? So we have the current, like the weekly higher lows here at 75.25, and once we break them, we would have definitely at least potential up to the previous lows that we can see here, 67 coming in. I just made this post this week, and I want to show this again here. Have a look at this beauty, and this is what I had played personally when Bitcoin broke its huge descending triangle to the downside at 6,000. EOS was between an equilibrium between $5 and $6. Let me get the tools away. You can see clearly. It's exactly this space, guys. So huge run up, 5x, similar to Tilray, 5x, huge correction, non-linear correction. Look at this, exactly like in Tilray's case, exactly the same. And then we get the slightly tilted upward bearish movement, okay? Bearish triangle here before we hugely broke out. And have a look what I had posted here. Next big support, $2. We made exactly that gap. We went even lower than $2. We made more than 60%. It was, for me, my personally, one of the biggest winners last year. So please keep this in mind. Should Tilray break this, we don't know if this support is going to hold. So there could be still much downward potential to come. Huge candidate to be playing bearish. Okay. And let's head over to CGC. So sector leaders here on the weekly, nice bull flag as we can see. On the daily, beautiful equilibrium. So have a look at this equilibrium. So we are getting tighter in this range with this lower high here. I would like to see a higher low, and then if we break this 48 psychological, we would see, could be seeing a nice follow through similar to this tightening range. As you can see, when we broke here the lower highs and broke through, we made 12 to 11%. We could also do the same here. Obviously, volume nice, strong on the bullish side, definitely. And yeah, so on the weekly also, obviously, we then have this equilibrium range. So still in the big picture playing out. This is to CGC, and let's get over to Cron. Beautiful on the daily, beautiful tightening, almost the same like with CGC, as you can see. So we are in blue sky breakout mode here, as far as I can see. So we had already broken on the weekly. Have a look. So we had broken on the weekly. Here again, tightening range, breakout above 14. So huge follow through already. Have a look at this. I mean, this is what I love. There you go, more than 50%. So more than 50% follow through and nice tightening. I would, exactly like in the CGC case, I would like to see a lower high here, and then again a higher low tightening. That would be even better for the breakout. So let's get over here. Aurora. I wanted to show you another one. Not sure if it was Aurora. Yeah, we have the tightening here also. Let me just check. Exactly, it was Alpha. I want to show you Alpha. So as you see, guys, time is running out. Alpha, beautiful, almost like a cup and handle. That's why I wanted to show you. So if you get in here, that's like the $14 here at the cup and handle, and especially since we had been higher already before. So should we break this, we would definitely could see some upward potential. Should we break this to the upside, we could see some nice upward potential. So nice tightening. The bulls are giving back less. So you see the first touch, they're coming down almost up to the, perfectly touching actually at the 26 EMA here. Bouncing off, have a look at this, perfectly bouncing off from the 12. And now the higher low, like the next higher low is much higher. But to the bullish side, they're always coming to the top. So if we were to put in a line, obviously we are much more ascending than we are descending. Beautiful candidate to be looking out here. And this is the last one I wanted to show you because it was just perfect. First of all, let's get to the weekly here. Have a look at this. It's one of the names in the cannabis sector, marijuana sector, which is currently in breakout modus. Have a look at this. Beautiful. This is what we don't have in crypto space right now, guys. So many manipulations going on. You can easily fake out, but have a look at this. This is what I love about the cannabis sector, or like stocks in general. Beautiful tightening on the weekly, clear break, guys. Okay, clear break of this 8 on the weekly. Let's go into the daily. How did this look like? Okay, so we are breaking above here. Have a look at this volume. You see this volume, huge volume breakout. Have a look at this beauty without any tools. Textbook ascending triangle. Okay, tightening range, ascending triangle. Have a look at this breakout. And I'm now going to show you only since the breakout from this triangle, okay? Since the breakout from this triangle, we have made, as you can see, up to the tops, we have made 71% profits, okay? 71% profits. And this is just amazing. And this is because those companies are still small. They are still, building their businesses. They are still at the beginning, So you are getting one blue sky breakout after another after they consolidate. Obviously, also here on the way up, bull break. Right now, they have halted the transactions because obviously they drew attention to themselves. So the stock exchange halted the transactions right now currently. But yeah, it's amazing. So, my dear friends, time is going. I hope you had some value from this cannabis marijuana sector. update. If you had so, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to follow me. As I said, I'm going to be doing more content to that topic. And otherwise, I wish you a beautiful weekend and see you in the next video.